down or the storm winds start to blow. You need a name you can trust, people that you really know. For more than 20 years locally, we've been standing strong right here, protecting homes throughout the coast, the service that is crystal clear. John Shutters and Aramco, we protect what you love most, from the windows to the patio. The best along the coast, service you can count on, from our family to yours. Serving Galveston with pride and the counties all around. Expert installation work, the finest to be found. We treat you like a neighbor, that's the promise that we make. Reliability and peace of mind with every single step we take. Judge Shutters and